Yes, children, question 12. Question 12. Total 18 students, 3 failed. Out of total 18 students in class, 3 of them failed. So, how many passed? 18 minus 3. So, 15 students passed in examination. So, here children, total 18 students, 3 students failed. Therefore, passed students 18 minus 3, that is equal to 15. So 15 students passed. 15 students passed. Now you have to find median. Very simple. Median you have to find. Now children, marks of 15 students who passed are given. We have to arrange. Students are given. And so what? It is median. It is positional average. So we have to arrange in ascending order. Now see. We have to arrange, but 3 students who failed, their marks will be less than past students' marks. We will take as F1, F2 and F3. So I want to tell you that students, those who failed, their marks will be less than the students, those who have passed. And students, those who have passed, that is 15 students, their marks are given to us. And we are asked to find median. It is raw data. So in median we have to arrange according to the ascending order. So 3 students, those who failed, their marks will be less than students, those who have passed. So we will arrange this way, children. F1, F2, F3 are failed students. 3 failed students. Now arrange. We have to arrange because it is a median. So F1, F2, F3. And then I have arranged 42, 43, 85, we have arranged. Now children, n equal to 18, number of total students is 18 and we have to find out median. So value of n plus 1 upon 2. Why n plus 1 upon 2? Because it is given raw data. In raw and discrete we write plus 1. Be careful. So n plus 1 upon 2, n is 18 plus 1 upon 2, so 19 upon 2, so 9 point. Value of 9.5 observation. 9.5 observation. Now children, it is not whole number. So it is 9.5. So let us see which is 9th observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Which is 9th observation this. And which is 10th observation 55. So 9th observation plus 10th observation divided by 2. So 53 plus 55 divided by 2, you will get 108 upon 2. So you will get 54. So the marks of 18 student median is 54 marks. Very simple but very important. Students, those who have failed. Okay, question 30. It is also very important and very easy. It is practical. Now mean is given 126.2 units and 10 days. Now mean you have to find out again. This company they have adopted new advertising policy and they want to find out whether this new advertising strategy has increased their sale or not. So they have asked us to find out the mean and tell them whether they have increased their sale or not. So their mean before the advertisement strategy, it was 126.2 units in 10 days. So we have to find out in 10 days whether they have increased their sale or not. So we have to find out x bar, sigma x upon n. Sigma x means total of all the numbers of all the 10 days. And when you add all 10 days, you will get 1389 upon 10. So 1 decimal point, 138.9 units. So therefore yes, we can say that the mean has been increased from 126.2 to 138.9 units by the new advertisement strategy. So when you have adopted new advertisement strategy, your sales has been increased. You have to find mean, and simple, they have asked only to find the mean. So one question of pass and fail students, it is important. I have marked. You have to arrange fail वालों को we have to put before those who have passed 1, 2, 3. You can write x also, x1, x2, x3. I have written f1, f2, f3. Failed matlab f. Okay, then arrange and then find out the values as we were doing median, and plus 1 upon 2. Whatever you get, suppose you get full number 9th, then 53 direct, but it is 0.5, so this 2 plus divide by 2. And this is simple mean equal to sigma x upon, and you have to add all the total which is given in the question. Okay, that is 156 plus 125 plus 162, all are given. That all you have to add. If you want, I can write down here. 156 plus, it is given children, it is a question. 125 plus 162 plus 153 plus 130. Here you don't have to arrange because you are knowing. Okay, 130. I'll write here only 130 plus 124 plus 127 plus 142 plus 149 plus 121. These all you will plus. And what you will get? This sigma x. What you are going to get for this? Sigma x. This is equal to 1389. Yes. 1389. Okay. So this is your total. And number is 10. So this is about section D. Very important. You have to work out and learn by heart. Okay.